Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sawar Mahdi. Today, what we are going to learn, do you know? Yeah, we completed our some basic things or basic formula and rules. But now, we will move to the problem solving in this time. So, you can see on the board, we have a problem today. And now, we are going to solve this. So, let's start. So before solve the problem, we have to read that first. What is that actually? What would be the sum of digits of the result if we multiply 999? There are 9 pieces of 9. And then what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we have to multiply this. Just like here, if you want to identify here 9 pieces of 9, and just like we want to do, or we need to do here, these 9 times this 9 times, oh wait, and we can write it another way, that what is 9 to the power 9? Don't you know that we can write it easily, that is 10 to the power 9. Okay, so we have to multiply these, or what is 10 to the power 9? First of all, you have to say what is actually, this is, and you can express it with like I'm writing it here first. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's huge actually. And what we can write, minus, or we have to set here minus, then 10 to the power 9. So if we calculate this, or we will get 1. So that means if you subtract 1 from this place, so we will get 10 to the power 9. By the way, this is just a common thing for this area. But our main thing is actually we have to do how to solve this. And I will show you a very, very easy pattern for solving this. So just look at here. First of all, this is and this is. Okay, we will multiply, then there we will get a multiplication, a result. Then we have to find the summation of these digits. Okay, first of all, if we multiply with this 1 and this 9, what will we get? We will get 9 into 1, or is it going up? By the way, 9 into 1 equals to 9. And then we have here next 9. 9 into 2. What is 9 into 2? 9 into 2 equals to 18. Okay. And then we can, and again, we will do 9 into 3. Okay. 9. Oh, sorry, it looks bad. 9 into 3. This will be 27. Okay. So this will be 27 actually. And this should looks better. And anyway, and then we can see here are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another. So here we will do this. So when it will go like this, when it will go, what will we get actually? And then after doing this 9 and this 9, okay, at the last it is going on, and then we can write here 9 into 9 equals to 81. And do you know, these 81 which we got, this is our actually answer. You can be shocked, you can be surprised right now. If you don't believe it, if you don't believe about my pattern, you can test, you can verify, you can multiply with this, and then you will get a result, and then you will find a summation of these digits, and then you will see the digits will be 81. If you don't believe, so you can verify, and then of course you will tell me in the comment box that my pattern is correct or not. Okay, so also in these problems you can try these types of pattern to solve very easily. And if you really want to do this number multiplying this number, so suppose you are in an exam, you have so many problems, almost 10, and this is just a first problem because it's very easy. And at the time, if you want to go to multiply, so can you imagine how many times you need, because you don't have any types of calculator or any electrical things. So that's why you shouldn't do that. If you want to do so, you will see you needed all times for just one problem. You are not selected. So you have to apply these types of rule, these types of patterns. So that's all for today. I think you all understood this, and I think you all may remember this pattern every time. And of course, share it with your friends, and of course, they will be also helpful about these patterns. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.